Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel and another this guppy plus this guppy, in this case an Endler, equals this Guppy Endler type of fish, Guppy Endler. So anyway, this time we took a male white Moscow Guppy and crossed him with 3 virgin Blue Star Endler Females. And this was a result of the crossing, as you can see. Okay, my thoughts on the results. So I am kind of a bit disappointed, to be honest, as this is the 3rd or 4th cross now that we've done using a white Moscows, and the results are always very close to what you see here, no matter what we try throwing at the white Moscows. The offspring all seem to end up an orangey, pinky, pucey crossed with magenta type of coloration, if that's even a thing. I guess with these guys is you can see that they have some tints of blue that weren't exhibited in previous crosses. But overall, what we were really hoping for was some pale blue results from the cross, which didn't happen. I guess my biggest takeaway from these experiments so far is that mixing Endlers and Guppies isn't like mixing paint. Like Forrest Gump famously said, when breeding Guppies, you never know what you're going to get. So over to you guys, what do you think of the cross? Was it what you would have expected, and would you, hand on heart, want a strain like this? And if so, would you be willing to pay £1,000 per fish? Because if so, they're up for sale.